GEARS stands for the Group Emotion and Relationship Skills. It's a skills-based program for people who are unwell, becoming unwell, but it can also be used in a preventative fashion as well. So it's a program that's designed to give participants the skills and the knowledge to help themselves as opposed to a treatment program. The GEARS program gives an understanding of why we are being the way we are, or how we've been affected by trauma and by service. And we see members of Defence and emergency services partake in that course with very good results.
I spent 10 years in the Australian Army. I was injured in October 2015 in a training accident. I was involved in a ASLAB rollover, which broke my back. I was on the downward slide and really just, wasn't tracking too well. The content for GEARS is really well laid out and really useful. The first 6 weeks deals with emotional regulation, why the brain does what it does, and so it just gives you some tools and techniques on how to sort of regulate the emotions. Weeks 7 to 12 are all about how to bring the emotional regulation part of the first 6 weeks and how you can bring them into relationships and keep going forward like that to get the best of both worlds. Part of where GEARS really shines is that it's in a group setting, so it's with other ADF members and first responders. They're mixed groups. I think that works really well because it shows us that we're not alone, that we are more similar than different, and it helps to break down those barriers between the participants really quickly and really, really well.
It's very validating to sit at a table surrounded by other service people. Having lived experience facilitators it's really a point that makes the program stand out. The way that they can give the content in a way that's very understanding and really make sure everyone in the room, regardless of where they are in their journey, is connected and understood, and everyone speaks a similar language, and just the psychological safety set up so quickly. And I really think that's a huge point of difference. I am so grateful that I've done it, and I will tell everyone that will listen to me that they should do it as well.
The outcomes of the program, which I've personally seen the results of for many, many participants over the past 10 years, impacts suicidality directly. And it had literally turned people's lives around. People that weren't able to leave the house, people that were hanging on each day, had a whole new lease of life. Often that lowering of symptoms is maintained long after people finish the program. So people are getting back to a much higher quality of living after doing the GEARS program.